English to Italian. I would like, equals.
Vorrei.
Welcome. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Ready to shine? Grab your imaginary espresso and smile. Today your magic key is
Vorrei.
I would like, polite, smooth, and perfect for ordering. Quick mnemonic. VOR equals voice of respect. Start with
Vorrei.
add what you want, finish with
Per favore.
and enjoy the warm service. Your goal today. By the end, you'll request like a pro in Italian, clear, polite, and confident. Your goal. Use
Vorrei.
to order a drink, reserve a table, and buy tickets. You'll also contrast it with the more direct
Voglio.
and the alternative,
Potrei avere.
so you always sound just right. Let's roll. Polite versus direct. Feel the difference in tone. This is where nuance makes you sound natural. Polite default.
Vorrei.
Soft, courteous, perfect in cafes and shops. Example.
Vorrei.
Un café.
Per favore.
More direct.
Voglio.
Use sparingly, it can sound pushy. Chain it. Vorrei. Voglio. Mi piacerebbe. Hypothetical, wishy.
Mi piacerebbe.
Sounds dreamy. Negative polite.
Non vorrei.
I'd rather not. Cafe dialogue. Act it out with me, mini scene, maximum flavor. You.
Vorrei.
Un café.
Per favore.
Quote. Waiter.
Certo.
Quote. You, trying the ritual, hand on chest, gentle forward palm.
Vorrei.
Un cappuccino. Narrator. The vending machine refuses your coin, until you whisper.
Vorrei.
It bows and dispenses snacks. Comedy achieved. Pronunciation beat. Clap it out with me for crisp, confident speech. Clap rest clap. Say.
Vorrei.
On the claps, then add, on the rest. Now 3 times.
Vorrei. Vorrei. Vorrei.
Quick drills. You speak after the pause, then I'll confirm. Stay bold and playful. Order a coffee. I would like, a coffee, please. Answer.
Vorrei.
Un café.
Per favore.
Reserve a table. I would like, to reserve a table. Answer.
Vorrei.
Prenotare un tavolo. Buy tickets. I would like, 2 tickets for the museum. Answer.
Vorrei.
2 biglietti per il museo. Ask politely for an item. Could I have a map? Answer.
Potrei avere.
Una mappa? Check availability. Do you have vegetarian options? Answer.
Avete.
Opisiani vegetarian? Ask to pay. I would like to pay. Answer.
Vorrei pagare.
Ask for the bill. The bill, please. Answer.
Il conto. Per favore.
Culture tip. Sound local, get smiles, tiny habits, big wins. In Italian cafes, starting with
Vorrei.
sounds courteous and natural, especially when you add
Per favore.
and a warm tone. If you slip and say
Voglio.
no panic, smile and switch to
Vorrei.
quiz time. Answer after the beep. Well, the pause. You've got this. Q1. How do you say, I would like, politely in Italian? A.
Vorrei.
Q2. Which is more direct, less polite than
Vorrei.
A.
Voglio.
Q3. Translate. I would like 2 tickets for Rome. A.
Vorrei.
Du biglietti per Roma. Q4. Negative polite. Say, I'd rather not, to sugar. A.
Non vorrei.
Lo zucchero. Your challenge. Time to play in the wild, use your new superpower. Picture a starship cafe. You step up and say,
Vorrei.
Un latte di avena.
Per favore.
Quote. If you need to be extra polite, try.
Potrei avere.
If you're checking options.
Avete.
When you're done.
Vorrei pagare.
Or simply.
Il conto. Per favore.
Beam up that courtesy. Goodbye. High five, you did great today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Vorrei.
With your coffee, tickets, and table bookings, and your Italian will feel natural fast. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges. See you next time. Smile, breathe, and say.
Vorrei.